Hurry up and get this open because per usual I am thirsty. So just coming out, I don't like y'all. Welcome back. If you're returning, if it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying my content. And as you read by the title, I have another Steve Madden unboxing. This is a bag, and if you're not new, then y'all know how I do. I'll be already opening stuff without y'all. Sorry, but you know, this time around, this is unopened and it just got here like maybe 2 hours ago. So yes, let's hurry up and get this open because per usual, I am thirsty. If any of y'all watched Talitha Jane, I had already been seeing this bag and I was contemplating on it. But then when she got it, I was just like, yeah, this is my confirmation to stop playing and get the bag before it's sold out. So of course, first I see a packing slip. And now we have our bag. So first off, this is the name of the bag. B. Brendan Citron Crossbody. Of course, it has the silver usual Steve Madden logo detailing on it. And I just felt like I needed a green bag because, you know, it's summertime. So all the bright colors gotta come out. And let's see. So just coming out, I don't like the way that it looks just like with this long strap and being like this. I actually love the silhouette that it gives once you put that strap on it. So I am going to find the strap and put that. Oh wait, no, I think you just actually, yeah, I'm tripping. It's no extra strap. Okay, so it has the Steve Madden detailing on the inside in the like pretty nude color. It's almost giving satin, but not really. Like, I like the material, but you hook this onto this. And that gives the silhouette that I'm looking for, like that cute little. So that's that tag. I love when bags have this on it. I don't know what this is called, but love that. I don't know if I would keep the long strap on it, but I do like that the straps usually have this detailing. And since it came apart, I'm gonna see how I feel about it and try it. I'm gonna see how I feel about it as a crossbody. Well, first off, let me make it longer how it's supposed to be. If I can adjust it. Okay. So this is basically the look. Let me put the paper back in it so it looks full. Only thing is, if you wear it like this, you have to stretch it out to zip it and unzip it. Like pull it straight or either unhook it. So this is like as a crossbody. But I like it just as like a bag, a handbag or a baguette. Not sure if I would keep the strap on it, the long strap, but this is the bag. Of course, the zipper has the detailing. So let me see how I feel without the long strap. Ow. Hold on. So if I take this off, let's see. I like it like this. So I think it's a cute, simple summer bag. Let me know if y'all would get this bag or you have this bag, what y'all think. I think it's super cute. Would you wear it crossbody or just like this? Make sure you are following me on Instagram so you can see how I style everything. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see y'all in the next video.